Hello, guys. I hope you are all right. I'm very good here. And there was a student of mine that had a question about what to how to fill flight plan when you're going to do PBN included flight. So you're gonna fly an RNAV PBN route, and how do you fill the flight plan in accordance to that? This is a situation that you will find if you're doing your ATPL course in any ATO that has PBN course included. You're gonna find this situation. So now you have to fill the flight plan, and you have to fill the aircraft capabilities, of course. And let's go to it. So basically, let me show you a Null's flight plan model here. Now usually you do it online, right? So basically, when it comes here equipment, you're gonna have to write R. Okay, so write R here, R of Romeo. Okay, to say that you have PBN, and then in the part um, here 18, which is other information. All right, you're gonna have to go for P of Papa slash something to say that you have PBN capability. Let me show you where this is set. So first of all, this is part 10. So item 10. So as you see here, you'll come to here. So PBN R, you have to put the letter R. And so you are PBN approved, and then C note 4 that basically says that if the letter R is used, then in the item 18 you'll have to go for the PBN specification after writing PBN slash, and then you have to put the certification. So I came to item 18, as they say, um, and now we have here all the specifications of PBN, right? So where for our school, so for 7 Air, what do we have? We have the Tecnam Papa 2006 Tango, all right? And if you go to the aircraft flight manual, this is what we are allowed to do, all right? So basic RNAV, sorry, RNAV 5, RNAV 1, also known as precision RNAV, and RNP 1, RNP approach LNAV, and LPV with satellite-based augmentation system, all right? So when we come here, this is what you're going to put: RNF5, RNF1, RNP1, and RNP approach. Check that's the LPV, all right? Localizer performance with vertical guidance. So these are the letters that we should select in our item 18, right? So let me see if I can do something here so you can show you how to do it. Oh my god, come on, just go up already. Right, so here what you're gonna do is just let me cut this one out. New. Alright, so here in equipment, how can I write here? I cannot. Let's say, let me edit with paint. Okay, can I write here? Alright, I can. So here in the equipment, somewhere here, I would select an R, okay, for PBN is gigantic. 48, okay. Okay, so I have an R here for PBN amongst every other stuff that you, any other specific equipment that you put here. And then when you go to 18 other information, let me, how can I, all right. So I'm gonna write here, so PBN slash, and now I'm getting into this specification. Oh, damn it! I have to go down again. So I have to go down and go for PBN. Sorry, I just wanted to see something here. Bravo 2, Delta 2, Oscar 2, Sierra 1. So it's Bravo, Delta, Oscar, Sierra, B2. Check. So, so this here is going to be right. B dot. Yeah, so it's gonna be PBN Bravo 2, Delta 2, Oscar 2, Sierra 2, right? And this is how, let me put this in bigger. So in the equipment, you're gonna select R for PBN, and then the specification of PBN, it's going to be PBN Bravo 2, Delta 2, Oscar 2, Sierra 2, which means that you will have RNAV 5, RNAV 1, basic RNP 1, and RNP approach. And this is what you're going to select there, right? This is what they say. So PBN indication of RNF and or RNP capabilities. Include as many of the descriptions below as apply to the flight, up to a maximum of 8 entries. Is test a total of not more than 16 characters. So 8 entries, we had 4, so it's all right. Now, I want to pull your attention to include as many of the descriptors below as apply to the flight. And this raised some doubts to me. So in my flight, during my flight, what do I need actually? How do I need RNF 5 or do I need RNF 2 or RNF 1 or etc. So we already know that RNF5 and RNF2 are en route, and RNF1 is for approach and SID, etc. So when I'm going to fly, I have to think: do I need to do an SID? Do I want to do an SID? Because if I do, I'll need RNF5, and I'll have to put those specifications there. Do I want to do an approach? Do I want to do an LPV or an LNAV VNAV? If I want to, I have to put it also in the specification. And for me, that's all right. My doubt was en route, do I need RNAV specification or not? So what I discovered, I went to my country's AIP and I found out that every route that it's in the upper airspace, you'll need RNF5 if you're inlands, all right? In Lisbon, FIR. You'll need RNF5s in the upper airspace, so upper routes. If you're in the lower routes, you just need it in certain routes. But once again, what is important, it's not what I'm saying now, because this might change in a few years. What's important is that you know where to get this information. So, with no more further ado, I have been looking to doc 4444. All right, see here. I've been looking to this. Sorry, doc 4444, air traffic management, and I have been searching in Annex 2 flight plan. So appendix 2 flight plan. This is where I saw what do I need to do in the flight plan. And this is my aircraft's flight manual that tells me what capability do I have, all right, and to see if in my country I need RNF5 or whatever, I'll have to come to the AIP. Okay, if you're Portuguese, just go for AIP Portugal, right? Then it's gonna open a link here. You can just access it, all right? Since we are here, what I advise you to do, just go for search and write RNAV, and you have a lot of information. I think you should see this, right? And so as I was saying, every route in the upper airspace are RNAV 5 routes. The lower airspaces have some RNAV 5 routes also, but for me and my students, everything the only route that we have to be concerned is um, it's Romeo 72 and Alpha 44. Okay, why? Let me show you. If you go to the IFR low en route chart, well, so as you can see here, look here, Alpha 44. It's the route that we take to go for Beja, to perform ILS at Beja. Okay, and Romeo 72, let me enhance this for you. Romeo 72 is when we go from Beja to Évora, okay, and we catch it here. So Romeo 72 going up north to Évora for the NDB approach at Évora, or when we go down to Faro, okay, or vice versa, okay, from Faro to Évora, we also catch R72. So I am saying this because imagine that you go and you're gonna fly and you're not gonna use any RNAV route. You're gonna do a visual flight. Okay, if you're gonna do a visual flight, you do not need to. Sorry, I missed my page. I don't know. Okay, it's here somewhere. So sorry, I was saying that if you're gonna fly visual and you don't know, um, and if you don't know, if you don't need PBN, why putting all these? Oh, RNF5, RNF1, because they say PBN indication of RNF and or RNP capabilities include as many of the descriptors below as apply to the flight. All right, as apply to the flight. So if you're gonna do visual, you don't have to select uh, this. Of course, you can just say that you need it. You can say that you have capability to do this, but you don't have to. It's just so you know. Okay. So um, guys, in sum, if you're gonna do PBN flight, okay, get informed about what capabilities uh, do you have, how to fill them in the flight plan, and in your country, in the airspace that you're going to fly, what capability do you need to do the route that you want? Okay. Um, I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that this video helps you all, and I wish you good flights. All right. See you later. Bye bye.